Oh my gosh, guys, planting season is almost here. So the beginning of February, what you want to be doing is planning what you want to grow, making your garden plans and stuff like that. Mid-February for zone 8A is when you want to start planting your seeds into your starter blocks. If not, you can also direct sow and plant them in the ground. Okay, so I just went to the mailbox and got my seeds that I am growing for 2023. So we get to open these together and talk about what I'm growing. Okay, so my first package is from New Hill. And let's see. I'm so excited. I probably should have got some scissors to open these packages a little bit better, quicker. Okay. So I've ordered from them before, and I love that they have quick shipping, and their packages are really cute. So I have a list here too, and that may help me because, like I said, I just opened them and they're not organized at all. So I'm also going to be posting pictures of what I'm growing as well. Okay, so I ordered 100 of the Angel Choir Poppy flower seeds. And then I got 1,000 of the Shasta daisies. These are the tall Shasta daisies. And you have to be careful with your seeds because you may get the dwarf size, or, you want to just watch out for your size. And then I also got 100 Blushing Bride silver straw flower seeds, so I'm excited to see those. I've worked with those before, and I love the papery sound that they make, so I'm excited for those. I got 300 salmon double peony poppy flower seeds, and then I got 1,000 snapdragons, 200 butterfly orchid flower seeds, 300 tall straw flower seeds, so it's just a mix. So I'm excited to see what colors I'm going to have in there. And then I got 100 giant green envy zinnias, and then 25 of the Cherokee Sunset rudbeckias, 50 Duchess peony apricot aster. Then I got 300 double peony poppy flower seeds, 300 of the English wallflower seeds, 200 of the red kale, and I got the red kale as my filler for my flowers. So you can also use your vegetables or, just like your green leaves as fillers for your flowers. And then I got 50 of the white stock. I love the smell of stock. They smell so good and fresh. And then I got 100 peach apricot straw flower. And then I got the green eyes rudbeckias. So, I'm so excited to see what those look like. I got 100 of the coral beauty. I've grown these before in my garden, but I just didn't have enough of them. So I was like, let me order some more. And then I got 50 Duchess peony white aster, 100 giant zinnia orange king. The orange, I've never just been like an orange or a yellow person, but the zinnias, they are beautiful. The orange king zinnias are beautiful, so I ordered some more of those. And then I got 100 zinnia purity white. You can never have enough white flowers. Okay, so this is from Zella Jake. And they're based in Florida, I believe. Yes, Florida. Okay, let's see what I got from Zella Jake. Okay, I ordered the giant snapdragons. And again, I just wanted to be sure because growing your snapdragons, you have the smaller variety. And then I wanted to make sure I had the big giant variety. That's a ton of seeds in there. Okay, so these are from Under the Sun Seeds, and they're located in Washington. Next time I'll have a quicker way to open these envelopes. Okay, so I ordered the Autumn Forest Rudbeckias from them. So I'm super excited, and I like that they came with the instructions on there. Okay, so just got 3 more here. So this package is from Pendas. This packaging is really cute. I'll just have to go back on Etsy is where I got the seeds, and I shop the small businesses. Okay, so this one is the Labyrinth Dahlia seed. Then I also ordered the Cafe Oulat Dahlia. I hope I'm pronouncing this right. And then I ordered the Labyrinth. And then I got Betty Ann here. And Honeydew Dahlia. So I'll be posting pictures of those so you guys can see what those look like. Open it, but I like the packaging. Oh, super cute. There's a cute thank you card. Okay. And it's from the shop owner, Anise. So thank you, Anise. I think this is so cute to add a cute little card. And the packaging was cute too. So I have Snow on the Mountain Euphorbia. I've grown these before and I loved them so much. So I ordered some more packages of the Euphorbia. Okay, last one. And it's from the Cutting Garden. And they are located in Arkansas. Arkansas is such a beautiful, beautiful state. Okay, so I have a list here that'll make it a little bit easier. Okay, and they're all bunched together in here. And from the Cutting Garden, I ordered some Clarkia salmon seeds. Also, I ordered the Summer Berries Mix Yarrow. And I also ordered the Ultraplex Red Plume. I got 25 of those. And then I ordered the Red Sun Sunflowers. And I have a ton of more seeds coming. This is just what I got out of the mail today. So stay tuned for those videos. Thank you for watching. And I'm super excited to start these and plant these in my garden. So stay tuned for the next video of what else I'm planting in the garden this year.